Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, another Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between the salsa and the bachata. Let's get right in. Okay, so some basic differences, of course, is the music. So bachata music is slower typically, has a completely different beat value, and is a little more romantic. The salsa is very upbeat, fast, and has a rhythm change. So let's talk about the timing really quick. So bachata, if we start there, we just have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we did a basic in the salsa, we can count it quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have quick, quick, slow in the salsa, which means there's a rhythm change, and then bachata has no rhythm changes. So that's one very obvious difference between the two styles. Okay, other than the music and the speed, we obviously have the way that the dances are built. So bachata changes a little bit, but we start on a lateral version. Most things come from the lateral version, where salsa, it's the complete opposite, where it's a slot dance. So we are going forward and back for the most part. Of course, there's exceptions. We have our side basic and some variations on some different steps in the future. But most of everything, if we do a few steps in the salsa, will be going in this direction. We change places. He gets off the track. I stay on the track, and we keep kind of going through this, the whole thing, okay? So that's salsa. If we did bachata, and we did a few steps here, it does change a little bit for sure, but we're starting laterally, as you can see, and if we did some basic turns, we stay on this plane, but we would change it up if we did something like this, but we could still stay on this plane here. So you can see how they're built a bit differently. Bachata is definitely easier of the two to start out. Salsa is a little more complex because it's so fast. And of course, matching the music can be difficult. Other than that, I would suggest starting with the bachata if you're completely new, working your way up to the salsa if that's your goal. But they are, I like to say, cousins dances, right? So if you go to like a salsa club, typically they'll play salsa, bachata, and then maybe merengue, kazumba, something like that. But the two mains are typically salsa and bachata, so it's good to have both of those under your belt if you're planning dancing. And then also, of course, they're both Latin dances. But those are just some main basic differences between the two styles if you're wondering on where to start. And don't forget to check out all of our steps for each of those dances on our website, okay? Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. If you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com. Go check it out. We do have all of the dance styles, including the salsa and bachata up there. So don't forget to go check it out.